Well, it is time to build the upper cabinets for my shop. We're going to put upper cabinets above this bank here and above that sink behind me, and then above the section of counter over here by the miter saw station. Well, this is going to wrap up the upper cabinet build and installation. As you saw, these would normally be 4 cabinet carcasses, but I built them in 2 to save a little bit of plywood, save a little bit of money, and for a shop cabinet, it works out really well that way. We made the carcasses, built the cabinet doors, got everything mounted on the walls. I haven't put the shelves in yet because I don't actually know where I'm going to have them positioned because I haven't decided where everything that will be stored in these cabinets will be put at. So as I do that, I will position shelves. But for now, they are done and ready to roll. I'm very pleased with how they turned out. For shop cabinets, they're more than adequate. As you can see, this is kind of wrapping up the total cabinet package for the shop. When I started building these, I intended on painting them gray to match the wall. Now that I have them done, I don't think I'm actually gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna clear coat them and let them be the way they are. But overall, this upper cabinet build was fun build. It turned out really well, really pleased with it. There's some details left over that I need to take care of. There's gonna be some under cabinet lighting. The next video will be about the pegboard wall control system that will be above the countertop here on the backsplash. Overall, it was a fun build. I'm really glad I got it taken care of and got them all done and put in place. Hope you guys got a lot out of this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.